When it comes to investments, there's a lot of advice out there, but what should we actually be listening to? Well, today we are joined by our very own financial expert, Julie Newton, to explain what she thinks. Good morning, Julie. How's it going?
Good morning. It's great.
So, Julie, there is a lot of financial advice out there, especially when it comes to investing. And, when should we be listening to that advice?
So, one of the things that people find themselves doing is following a particular, there's entire networks devoted to investment advice, as well as, this particular expert or that particular expert, and people find themselves kind of following that. It's not a bad idea in terms of, saving money, paying off debt, that kind of thing. But the thing to keep in mind is that a lot of those folks are giving that advice based on an entire group of people rather than you as an individual investor. So if they are not working with you directly, they don't know your personal situation, and it might be problematic if you're getting a kind of a cookie cutter approach to your investments.
Okay, so what about paying people to help pick out your stocks? Is that a good idea to do?
So typically in terms of those subscription services, and there's a lot of those out there, they can cost, sometimes hundreds of dollars. Basically what you do is this person says, okay, this stock, and this stock, which is great, but again, they don't know your personal situation, so it may not be the best piece for you. The other thing is that a lot of those subscription services are focused on return. So they're looking at things that might be more volatile or more risky, and that may not be what's right for you. Typically what I tell people is, it's kind of like a broken clock. They're right twice a day. Does that mean that that subscription service is going to be right for you? Possibly not.
Okay. And so let's talk about a word I said sounds a little made up, fiduciary. All right, are you a fiduciary, and what exactly does that mean?
So yes, it does sound a little funny, but a fiduciary is exactly what I am. Market Advisory Group are fiduciaries. What a fiduciary is somebody who is legally obligated to do what is best for you. When we're working with our investors, we are picking things that fit their profile, that do the things they need them to do. Doesn't matter what the bottom line is as the financial professional, it's all about that investor. So you want to make sure you're doing the right thing for them. You always want to be working with a fiduciary. They can go to our website, marketadvisorygroup.com, or they can call the office. Either way, they can schedule an appointment with an advisor.
Ask Our Advisor on Kansas City Spotlight has been paid for by Market Advisory Group.